how to see and delete all your comments on Facebook post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all your Facebook comments quickly so you can clean up your profile in no time. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen beside the edit profile button. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on activity log. And now here under the activity log, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled your Facebook activity. So simply tap on it. And now here from the drop down section, you simply have to tap on the option that says manage comments and reaction. And here from the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on filters at the top. And now here, you simply have to select categories, and here you simply have to tap on comments. And after that, it will show you all the comments that you have done from your account. So here, if you want to delete all the comments that you have done, then you simply have to select or check all option which can be seen at the top. And here, once you do that, you simply have to tap on the remove button which can be seen at the bottom of the screen. And once you do that, you simply have to confirm your action, and with that, it will delete all your comments that you have done on Facebook post. And that's it. That's how you can see and delete all your comments on Facebook post. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.